gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. It's hat day here in beautiful northern Michigan, but that has nothing to do with the video. Today we are picking up a GT3 touring, as you can tell by the title, and we're bringing it back to the shop today. Gonna be taking some pictures, doing a little detailing business.
People don't know what the f***'s going on.
These guys just pulled over in the drop top Buick. They're just like on the side of the road.
That car's dope.
Yeah, that's actually way cooler than the GT3.
That's gonna be my next rally car.
But we are on the way. We're doing some windy, twisty roads here in northern Michigan. We're picking up a GT3. We're gonna go stop by a couple places on the way back. But then, yeah, tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., which is really early for Cars and Coffee, by the way.
Yeah, Haggerty does them early, 7 to 9.
7 to 9. Cars and Coffee tomorrow. And I've actually never been to a Haggerty Cars and Coffee. I've been to like the normal ones in town, but yeah, gonna expect some cool stuff there. But the owner of the GT3 is not home, so he's instructed us to break in, I suppose, and take care of business there. We'll catch you guys when we're pulling up to get this sweet Porsche. Woo! 9,000 RPM red line on this thing, and it is a manual, which is sick. This is embarrassing to say, but I do not know how to drive a manual. So Mr. Evan, not that I would be driving anyways, but Evan's taking this car today, and then we're regrouping a bit later. And like I said, tomorrow, gonna be hitting that Cars and Coffee early, picking up the GT3 Touring. Such a cool car. I do prefer the non-touring models, but beautiful. What better place to go right now with two German cars other than a Mexican restaurant? So that's where we're going right now. Stop number 2 of the day. Gonna go get some lunch if Evan figures out what he's doing. Till then, let's hear this thing in action and get on the road. Okay, I'm not super familiar with the GT3s and the GT3 Tourings, but I feel like the valves are not opening on this car until they hit a certain RPM. See what I'm saying? Very cool to get an opportunity to drive with one of these things. I want a GT3 so bad. We're starting a GoFundMe for my GT3. Link will be in the description. Not really, of course. That is one of my like dream cars. Like this, maybe an R8 V10. Both super cool sounding cars. Excuse my crack. But we have made it into town. Oh, I love my job. A little impromptu Porsche meet, as it seems. We've got the Panamera, the GT3 Touring, and a little Carrera S inside, getting some tip work done. The interior on this car is awesome. Seeing the 10K on the tack. Oh man, I love it. I love it so much. It is 6:47 a.m. I know some of you guys watching this are probably like, I wake up at 4:30 every morning for my job. Get a life, you nerd. We got up early because there's a Cars and Coffee that starts at 7 in the morning. We're on the way to the shop right now to snag the GT3 and then we'll be on our way to that. We'll probably arrive around 7:15, you know, a few minutes after it starts, things get settled in, and then get some coffee because I have not had an ounce of caffeine in my body yet. Like I said yesterday, I believe, I've never been to one of these Cars and Coffees before. We have arrived, and it is a little media time before, actually, we gotta dust this thing off. Overnight, a few pebbles of dust have landed on the stripe. Can't be going out looking like this. You kidding me? I've actually never sat in any 911, but this GT3 touring is wild. It sounds so good. Excuse the sun and crazy lighting right now, but I believe the Tireslayer Huracan is also joining us, so that'd be sweet. Tireslayer is already here, but we need a place to park. Mr. E-Bob. Hello.
Yeah, we're a little late.
No parking spots.
Uh-oh. New P0s on here because, well, you know what happens to tires when 1,000 horsepower rear wheel drive supercars are on them. I want it bad.
Yeah, I'm about to head to the shop.
GT500 with carbon wheels. That's the first carbon wheel spec I've seen on this car. Love the plate on this.
What is it?
760 pony.
Yes, sir.
Montana plates, of course.
Here, you get the keys to the. Which one do you want?
Ooh, I'll take the one on the
You get
left,
this one.
please. Thank you.